How to share the Netflix account with friends. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have a Netflix account and you do not know how to create a new profile or set up a page for your friends, then you can see this page. Devices your household can watch at the same time is 4 and the download devices is 6. On total, you can create 5 profiles on your Netflix account. In order to do so, first of all, log in into your Netflix account. After that, you have to go to the Manage Profile section and you will see a page like this. From here, tap on Add Profile and you have to add in the details such as account name, password, and so for the profile. After that, you can share it with your friends in that way. So, this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. Also, if you have any confusions or questions, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section.